Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Instagram Reels. To begin, open your Instagram app and tap the plus icon, then select Reel. You can record new video directly or upload existing clips and photos from your camera roll. Remember, a reel can be up to 90 seconds long, giving you plenty of time to share your story. We'll cover adding music and effects next, making your content truly engaging. Once you have your video clips, it's time to add some sound. Tap the music icon to browse Instagram's extensive audio library, featuring thousands of trending songs. You can also use your own original audio. Don't forget to adjust the volume levels for both the music and your recorded sound to ensure a perfect balance. Syncing your visuals to the beat can really elevate your reel. Now let's make your reel visually stunning with effects and text. Instagram offers a vast collection of augmented reality filters and effects to add a creative touch. You can also add text overlays, customizing their font, color, and position, and even set them to appear and disappear at specific times. The timer feature is fantastic for hands-free recording, allowing you to perfectly capture your desired shots. Finally, it's time to share your masterpiece. Craft a compelling caption, including relevant hashtags to boost visibility and reach. Select an eye-catching cover photo for your reel, either from a frame within your video or by uploading one from your gallery. You can share your reel to your main feed, your stories, and the dedicated Reels tab, maximizing its potential audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.